Yeah, cartwheels. Hopefully I got that on video. That's what his truck is so sketchy, man. It's almost as wide as it is long. It's like almost a perfect square. Gets a little out of control and things start flying off. No brakes. No brakes. That is the brakes when you turn. Should adjust it again, but you gotta adjust it literally every day. Spider web. How do they always put these spider webs right at eye height? You know, it goes right across your eyeball. Your open eyeball. Doesn't even touch an eyelash. Just yeah, I know. They're a little bit too high of an idle. Almost got me. That time got me. Wanted to keep that wheelie going. Okay, I'm horsing around before we break it. Oh, we made it out. Thought I was hooked on something there. Oh, we got a squirrel right here. Hey. I don't know if you guys seen him if he's in the video. He's right there on that stump. Lower the idle down. Need to get the other screwdriver so I can try and adjust the brakes maybe. This sucks. Can't stop it if I want to. Can you hear all the gears? 3 speeds. Whoa. I was close to hitting the cabin down there. I don't like making it hit the ground like that. It's probably not that bad, but it is for me. Hurts my heart. Whoa, 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 whoa. Really bumpy bits of ground here. You never know what it's going to be coming through here. Completely airborne. Out of fuel? Yeah, out of fuel. There we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little walk. That's a hot exhaust pipe right there, you know. It's melting my high-tech sticker. Everything else is fine, just the end of the high-tech must be the hot spot right there. Right where it comes out of the exhaust. Stay tuned for more.